Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to view your referral code in GCash and start earning rewards, even if the usual refer a friend button isn't showing up. Stick around because I'll break it down step by step so you won't miss a thing. Open your profile. First, open your GCash app and tap on your profile icon. You might notice that the refer a friend button isn't visible. Don't worry, it's not missing, it's just limited to certain users. Navigate to the job section. Here's the trick. Go back to your homepage and tap View All. Then scroll down to the Enjoy section and select Job. This is where the hidden referral option lives. Access the Referral tab. Once you're in the Job section, swipe to the third tab and tap Referral. This is your gateway to generating your unique referral code. Generate and share your code. Now, pick a job that matches your friend's profile. Enter their name and then an email, then press refer. GCash will instantly create a unique referral code for you to share. Earn rewards. Once your friend gets the notification, applies, and gets hired, you'll receive your reward. It's that simple. Don't forget to tap refer now to kick off the process. And that's it. A quick, easy way to unlock your GCash referral code and start earning rewards, even if the usual button isn't visible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends so they can earn too.